2012 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with a fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, CD player, security system, power windows, bucket seats, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, rear head airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.